Good morning to my prospective employer in Hong Kong. I'm Maria Lisa Wabinga, 28 years old, single. I'm honest and hardworking. I finished my caregiver course at Notre Dame of Siam College last 2002-2003. I have worked in abroad for 2 years. I've tutored 3 children. My duties in my employer are ironing, cleaning, washing, marketing, and sewing, and preparing their foods.
How many members of the family did you serve?
5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. The eldest is 10 years old, second is 9 years old, youngest is 3 years old.
How big is their house and how many rooms?
Normally, 1 big living room and salon and 3 bedrooms and 3 toilets.
Other than you, do they have other maids in your employer's house?
None.
Did you sleep together with the children at night?
Yes.
If your employer's children are naughty, how will you handle it?
I tell the kids that don't do that again because that is bad, and tell them in a nice way.
If lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
I will promise them that I will finish my contract and I will do my best, and thank you.